Hi, my beautiful dreamers. I'm back. Hey, everybody. So, what have you guys been up to? I haven't been up to anything, just a little work. Little work here and there. How's everybody doing? Yay. Well, as far as for me, I'm just coming to you guys right now with a little video, cooking video. I was, my last video I did, I was doing like a mukbang. Y'all know what I'm talking about. On Jamaican food, and I said how much I like Jamaican food. So, I said my favorite is curry chicken. I love curry chicken. So, and I said I learned how to make it myself. So today, I'm going to show you guys how I make my curry chicken. And you guys can do it how you want to, or share with me what you guys do if you made it before, or however, whatever. You know? Yeah, let's do that. So, right now I got to wash my hands and prepare my chicken. I usually use wings, but today I'm using chicken tenderloins. Of course it's different just because when you got that bone in, it just soak up everything and all that, but it's still gonna be good. So here we go. I got my chicken over here and my potatoes. So I gotta cut my chicken and my potatoes up. Cut them up. Cut them up. I got some red potatoes. I like to put potatoes in my curry chicken as well, because I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. So, I absolutely am. So, I am going to...
Don't complain about the curtains.
Cut my chicken up.
So when I'm done eating, I can poop on my food.
Okay.
I had to laugh at that one. Okay. So guys, I got chicken tenderloins this time. I usually use wings like I said, but I got tenderloins this time. And this is what I'm going to use. So I got like 3 packs because I got a big family. So, you know, chicken tenderloins are already pretty much cut up. But I just want to cut them in half. So it'll be a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Thanks, babe. My husband had to go get me some tuna.
Disgusting.
Wait a minute. I like it. I can eat tuna by itself. So I'm just cutting them in half, guys, so they don't be as big. Cutting them in half, cutting them in half. I'm gonna get my husband to learn how to cook one day so he can be in here helping me.
Yeah.
Right now, all he know how to do is fry fish and chicken. So, if it's ever a fish and chicken day, Oh yeah, my baby can grill now. Yes, we. Y'all gonna have to catch him in the summertime on the grill. So I am just cutting my little chicken up. I love curry chicken. I swear I could eat it all day, every day. But my family doesn't feel the same. So I have to be mindful of everybody else. Okay? So I'm cutting chicken. I got some onions and some potatoes. I got yellow and red, purple onions. Did you just ask me what we about to eat? And I just said curry chicken in this camera. He always trying to drink up my orange juice. I drink orange juice every morning for the vitamin C. Let me measure how much you gonna pour in your cup.
I'm trying to get my cup. Good cup.
No. No. We're not gonna do that. So guys, like I was saying, I got my chicken. I got yellow and purple onions, garlic, coconut milk, curry seasoning, and almond milk.
Alright,
Okay, stop.
What?
He got a lot of my orange. He's still trying to keep going. Y'all see, it's right there. And this is a big cup. And he's trying to keep pouring. See? That's enough. Wet your whistle.
A swallow.
If you swallow that hard, honey, good gracious.
This is a swallow.
It's definitely not. More than a swallow. I seen you pour some more in there. He gonna try to sneak and pour some more while I'm not looking. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. So next, I think next Friday, babe. Spicy noodle challenge. Yeah. We're gonna do the spicy noodle challenge. Well, they're gonna do the spicy noodle challenge. I'm not involved in that. I'm gonna be the narrator during the shenanigans. I'll just tell you guys what's going on. Okay, so I am about to go ahead and prepare all of my seasonings so you guys can see exactly what I put in there. Okay? And of course, you know, I will show you guys exactly what I put in here. Just in case, you know, you want to make it how you want to make it, or make it how I'm making it. It's all good. So, I have right here, right now, my red potatoes that I cut up and put in there. I have almond milk. I have, of course, my seasonings. Of course. I put a little bit of red pepper in there. I put a little bit of red pepper in everything, just for a little bit of spice. Roasted garlic. A little coconut milk. Oh. Coconut milk. Some onions. And some garlic. And of course, the curry. And I add a little sugar to mine because I like a little sweetness to it. So, that's everything I'm putting in there. So, I'm about to go ahead and prep my potatoes and my onions and everything. And I'll be right back. I said I'll be back. Yeah. Hi, my babies. So, I'm back. Okay, I said I was gonna come back and show you guys what I said. Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you guys the product of everything cut up and all that good stuff and all that good stuff and all that stuff in the pot. That's what I'm about to show you. Yeah, that's what I'm about to show you. See, my son said yeah. That's what we about to show him. All right. Say hey. All right, guys. So this is my chicken. Now I'm just about to let it cook. It has coconut milk, red potatoes, almond milk, onions, and complete seasoning, roasted garlic, ranch seasoning, red crushed peppers, and a little garlic. So, I'm gonna see how this turns out. It'd be so good. And I like I said, I always put a little sugar in it just because I like mine sweet. But of course, you guys know y'all can do it how you want. So, I'm about to let this cook and go see what my hubby's doing while it's cooking. Go get on his nerves for a little while. Put a little bit more curry in there. I like a lot of curry. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of curry in mine. Okay?
And
So,
mine.
tell them we'll be back in a little bit.
We'll be back in a little bit.
Okay, guys. I just had to come back and show you this while it's cooking. You guys will love it. Yes, I can't wait till it's done. Yummy. Mmm. Alright, guys. I am back. This is finishing up the last little bit of my curry chicken dinner. So, right here, I know typically everybody do rice and peas or something like that, but I just did brown rice because I like brown rice. My son wants some. So, I just want to show you guys what's going on. There's the rice. We got rice, curry chicken with the potatoes. Yay! And we got some green beans. That's our dinner for tonight, guys. That is the dinner for tonight.